Operating the Larson Electronics WCDE series LED light tower is simple. The light tower's towing tongue and light heads are adjustable for storage and transportation. The tongue adjusts upward to provide flexibility in storing the unit. This is held upwards with 3 bolts and can be completely removed for preventing unwanted towing of the trailer. To lower the tongue while attached, remove the bottom 2 bolts shown. And tighten the 3 bolts to secure the tongue in place. The towing hitch can also be adjusted from a lunette ring to a standard ball coupler. This can be rotated by removing the 2 bolts holding it in place, rotating the hitch to the one needed, and reapplying the bolts tightly. Adjust the light heads by loosening the single bolt holding each end and rotate the lights vertically. Reattach each bolt to secure the light heads in place. Pay attention to ensure all cords are free from snags and tension. Once the tongue, heads, and trailer are positioned for deployment, extend the outriggers for stabilization. The front outriggers extend outward and include a locking pin on the bottom holding them in place. A click sound indicates that the locking pin has locked the outrigger in place. Proceed by turning the hand crank on the outrigger clockwise to extend it. Use the bubble levels on top of the unit to level the trailer. It is normal for the wheels to lift off the ground during leveling. Once all outriggers are secured and the unit is level, the mast can then be elevated. Use the self-stopping hand winch to elevate the mast and light heads to its highest stage. Once the words "stop line" are visible on the mast, stop rotating the winch and the mast is fully deployed. To rotate the mast, loosen the 2 hand bolts on either side of the mast toward the middle. This allows 270-degree movement of the mast side to side. Tighten the 2 hand bolts once the mast is in the desired position. To start the generator and power the lights, open the wing door on the side of the unit with the controls. Each door is secured with 2 latches. Ensure there's an adequate amount of diesel fuel in the unit before running. Insert and turn the ignition key to the left to preheat the engine, and to the right to start the generator. Once running, switch the breakers on to provide power to the lights. The unit contains a main breaker, 4 individual breakers for each light head, and a breaker for the power outlet. The unit is now fully deployed and ready to light up the night. Before transporting the unit, ensure the generator is turned off, both wing style doors are closed and latched. The mast is all the way down, the rotation hand screws are tight, and the outriggers are raised. Turn the light heads vertical and the unit is ready for transportation. If storing the unit, adjust the tongue as needed.